In the history of existence of life on Earth, the evolution of humans was a landmark event. How they got developed to such a complex genesis is still a question of time. There has been a lot of study and research on the human fossils. When asked about genesis of human evolution, Austrelopithecus was the first stage. It was the earliest hominin genera found in Africa around 3 million years ago. The most important quality that they had was bipedalism, that is, they walked on two legs. They had got a small brain size with a volume of around 500 centimeter cube. There has been no ample research about them, but it is supposed that their diet was sort of omnivorous, which included meat and some fruits and leaves. But as the time passed, they got transformed into handymen. That means now they involve themselves in making weapons and tools. It just added some few coins to the ease of their survival. But still, they belong to East Africa mainly. The size of the skull was improving. They were called Homo habilis. Around 5 lakh years ago, the clan of Homo habilis started moving from Africa to Asia and Europe. Now, they were more physiologically developed. They had got more robust skeleton and bones, and they developed long-distance running ability. The most important thing that they had was the fire. Also some sharp axes and weapons. They were termed as Homo erectus. The average size of modern human is around 1500 centimeter cube, and they approached somewhere to 1200. Researchers say that this increase in their skull size generally denoted that they were far more neurologically equipped. They could think better now. Their cerebral capacity was far more improved as compared to previous evolutionary stages. Between 4 lakh to 40,000 years ago, they are supposed to adapt themselves to cold climates of Europe and Asia. Also, they developed strong bones and muscles now. They got much larger brain, and now they were ready to dominate. Their stage is called as Homo neanderthalensis, which was, in a way, the final stage as it's moving now. Because in a way, they had got every physiological developments as we are witnessing today. So the evolutionary stages from 3 lakh years ago to present is known as Homo sapiens. They developed complex culture, technology, and use of resources. They organized social cooperation and many more sophistications. So in a way, the story of early humans is a complex narrative of survival, innovation and migration, which laid the foundation for the rise of civilization and the dominance of Homo sapiens on the planet.